Moving to third question. This is a very interesting question, right? Lots of concepts are there. P, Q and M are in GP such that mod of P plus Q plus M is equal to 15. The median is P, the first term, right? Q is 10, P is more than M. What is the sum of the first 5 terms of the GP? Okay, tricky question. Let's see how we can do it. So when we say P, Q, M are in GP, and here it is written that P is more than M. If P is more than M, right, can I say that the ratio, common ratio, if it is positive, let's say, is less than 1, less than half, sorry. What I'm saying, less than 1 here. Right? Because it's a decreasing GP. Okay, if it is a decreasing GP, that is how P is more than M, right? That means common ratio should be less than 1. It's a decreasing GP, correct? Now, Q is equal to 10. Also, mod of P plus Q plus M is equal to 15, right? And the median is P. P should be median. Okay. Now, if mod is 15, first case, can we say that P plus Q plus M is equal to 15? Let's say the first case, okay. This is 10, okay. And if R is less than 1, that means P should be more than Q, isn't it? If P is more than Q, this term should have been 10 plus. So how the sum of 3 terms can be equal to 15? Not possible, isn't it? Can I say that 15 sum is not possible, right? I repeat it. If P is more than N, then common ratio should be less than 1, right? In that case, P should be more than Q. So if Q is 10, then P should be definitely more than 10. Then the sum would be 20 plus, right? It cannot be 15. So this case is not possible. That means that P plus Q plus M should be equal to minus 15. Okay, so second case. Also Q is 10 here. P is more than M. Also P is the median. Okay, so that will happen only when P and M are negative. And that is how the sum will be minus 15, isn't it? Right. So P and M should be negative. Also, we will talk about R later. Let's solve it. Let's say the common ratio is R. So let's assume if this is 10, this can be 10 upon R, and this could be 10R. So this plus this is equal to minus 15. Okay. 5 can be taken as common and cancelled out, so it will give you 2 upon R plus 2R is equal to minus 3. You multiply this by R, this gives you 2 plus 2R plus 2R square is equal to minus 3R, or basically 2R square plus 5R plus 2 is equal to 0. That gives you 2R plus 1 into R plus 2, that is equal to 0. So R is coming out to be minus half, or R is coming out to be minus 2. Okay. So minus half, when you put here, I mean the individual terms, minus half gives you minus 20, 10 and minus 5. And when you put R is equal to minus 2, it gives you minus 5, 10 and minus 20. Now P should be more than M, right? So here P is less than M, not possible. That means R is equal to minus 2. So the 5 terms will be what? Minus 5, 10, minus 20, next will be 40, and next will be minus 80. You need to add it. Plus is 50, minus is 105, so it gives you minus 55. That is option B. Clear? I hope it is clear, right? Okay.